Do you want to unlock your full potential? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we will guide you through the ultimate steps to achieve maximum efficiency and productivity. So let's get started. Step 1. Set clear goals. The first key to being efficient and productive is setting clear, achievable goals. Write them down and prioritize them based on importance and urgency. Step 2. Plan your day. Create a daily schedule and stick to it. Organize your tasks, allocating time blocks for each one. This will help you stay focused and avoid wasting valuable time. Step 3. Eliminate distractions. Eliminating distractions is crucial for maintaining focus. Turn off notifications, close unnecessary tabs, and find a quiet place to work. Step 4. Break tasks into smaller steps. Breaking tasks into smaller, manageable steps makes them less overwhelming. This way, you can complete them more efficiently and feel a sense of accomplishment along the way. Step 5. Prioritize and delegate. Not every task is equally important. Prioritize your tasks and focus on the ones that have the most significant impact. If possible, delegate tasks to others to lighten your workload. Step 6. Take regular breaks. Taking regular breaks is essential for maintaining productivity. Schedule short breaks between tasks to recharge and refocus your mind. Step 7. Practice effective time management. Learn to manage your time effectively by using techniques such as the Pomodoro technique or time boxing. This will help you allocate the right amount of time to each task and prevent procrastination. Step 8. Learn to say no. Don't be afraid to say no to tasks that do not align with your goals or priorities. Take control of your time and protect it for the most important tasks. Step 9. Embrace automation and technology. Look for opportunities to automate repetitive or mundane tasks. Utilize technology tools and apps that can streamline your workflow and save you precious time. Remember, being efficient and productive is a process that requires dedication and continuous improvement. By following these steps, you can unlock your full potential and achieve greatness. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on personal and professional development.